Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. Today we're checking out 20 amazing woodworking tools that can take your projects to the next level. Stick around, you might discover your next favorite tool. Workbench with wheels. The foldable workbench is your sturdy sidekick for sanding, routing, and cutting, without hogging garage space. 3/4-inch bench dog holes welcome most clamps like old friends. With foldable legs, wheels, and a handle, it travels better than your luggage. Self-leveling feet and safety locks keep it steady. Perfect for workshops, job sites, and show-offs. Digital laser tape. The digital laser tape combines a 12-foot tape and 330-foot laser measure in one versatile tool, delivering accurate measurements up to plus or minus 1/32 inch. Its modular design, bright green aligning laser, and live angle display make alignment and angle measurement effortless, while the dedicated app lets you transfer and annotate data easily. Orbital Sander. The Bosch Orbital Sander is a compact ergonomic tool designed for smooth, fatigue-free sanding. With a low vibration of just 3.0 meters per second squared and an anti-skid grip, it offers comfortable control for extended use. Its balanced design ensures precise sanding in any direction, while the dust-resistant system and switch protection enhance durability for tough job site conditions. Belt sander. This belt sander chews through wood at 800 feet per minute, faster than your dog finding the one muddy spot in the yard. Its angled belt reaches tricky edges, while the tool-free release swaps belts quicker than you swap excuses. Add a comfy 3-position handle and dust bag, and sanding feels almost enjoyable. Finish nailer. The 15-gauge angled finish nailer fires up to 1,500 nails per charge. Because who has time for hoses, gas cartridges, or excuses? Thanks to airstrike technology and a brushless motor, it's cordless, fast, and powerful. Compact yet mighty, it nails precision with an AccuDrive nose, tool-free depth adjustment, and a switch for your firing mood. Barrel grip jigsaw. The Craig 20-volt ionic drive. Barrel grip jigsaw makes cutting feel almost like cheating. Its ergonomic barrel grip keeps you close to the action, while auto mode, variable speeds, and orbital settings slice through wood like butter, or at least margarine. Tool-free blade swaps, LED lights, and bevel presets ensure every cut looks like you meant it. Tipped router bit set. This premium tipped router bit set features balanced, carbide tip bits that reduce kickback and vibration for clean, precise cuts. The set includes popular profiles such as straight, trimming, dovetail, and decorative edging, ideal for a wide range of woodworking tasks including rooting, edging, trimming, and grooving. Rotary Tool Kit. This versatile Rotary Tool Kit includes a 4,000 corded rotary tool, 2 attachments, 30 high-quality accessories, and convenient storage cases. Its high-performance motor delivers maximum power across variable speeds from 5,000 to 35,000 RPM, with electronic feedback for consistent performance. An innovative airflow system prevents heat buildup for smoother, quieter operation. Rotary Tool Plunge Router Attachment. The Plunge Router Attachment transforms your Dremel into a pint-sized powerhouse for edges, slots, circles, and inlays. Basically, wood's worst nightmare. A clear base keeps your view sharp and your materials safe, while the lock-in handle and quick-release depth stops let you plunge with confidence. Small projects meet your new overachieving sidekick. T-Track Kit. The T-Track Kit turns your saw or drill press into a precision station that actually listens to you. Its flip stop locks tight, works on either side, and adjusts from 1.5 to 3 inches with a built-in scale. No squinting required. Add self-adhesive tape and adjustable stops, and you'll cut repeatable results, not repeatable mistakes. Dust Collection System. The PowerTech Drill. Dust collection base is like a vacuum with manners, grabbing dust while you drill up, down, or overhead. Its ABS body and foam seal lock tight, while 4 guide bushings keep holes straight. Pop off the clear cover for big bits, still see your work, and let hash marks handle the math. One-handed bar clamp. This one-handed bar clamp delivers 300 pounds of grip, basically a handshake from a superhero. The I-beam bar won't bend under pressure, while removable swivel jaws with soft pads keep your project safe from bruises. Switch to spreader mode with one button, release instantly with a trigger, and clamp like a pro without breaking a sweat. Reciprocating Saw. The Bosch Reciprocating Saw packs a 1,200-watt motor, 30mm stroke length, and up to 2,900 strokes per minute for fast, powerful cutting through wood, metal, and plastic. Its optimized stroke action ensures smoother, faster cuts with reduced vibration, while ergonomic front and rear grips with soft surfaces provide comfort and control during extended use. Rasp Files Set. This Rasp Files Set features a 1/4-inch quick-change hex shank compatible with most power rotary tools. Made from high-carbon steel with a fine black finish, the files are heat-treated for durability, rust resistance, and long-lasting performance. Precision-milled cutting edges prevent clogging and sticking, making them ideal for deburring, shaping, and grooving wood, plastic, and rubber. Precision Layout Solution. This precision layout tool is CNC machined to be nerd-level accurate, with a finely ground face for measurements that actually make sense. Laser-engraved markings on a sandblasted finish keep numbers readable, and black anodizing laughs at rust. Perfect for welding, auto repair, metalworking, or woodworking. Basically, anywhere you want your measurements to behave themselves. Tenon Saw. This Tenon Saw features universal, precision cross-ground teeth for cutting along or across the grain, making it ideal for joint cutting and small woodwork projects. A solid brass back provides maximum rigidity, while the comfortable wooden handle, secured with brass screws, ensures control and durability for precise, reliable cuts. MiteriX Angle Duplicator. The Bora MiteriX Angle Duplicator makes math optional and perfect cuts mandatory. Measure, lock, and transfer angles from 0 to 180 degrees with rigid aluminum arms that laugh at guesswork. Ideal for crown molding, trim, flooring, or any finished carpentry, it saves time, reduces waste, and spares your sanity. Perfect for pros and DIYers who hate crooked corners. Random Orbital Sander. This dual-action random orbital sander features a 360-degree rotating base plate and 6 adjustable speeds for smooth, trace-free sanding and up to 30% higher efficiency. It includes 18 hook-and-loop sanding discs for everything from paint removal to fine finishing on wood, metal, and plastic. Center Finder with Square. The upgraded Center Finder with Square is like a Swiss Army knife for carpenters. Square, center finder, protractors, rulers, marking gauges, drill gauge, and wrench all in one compact 3.5 by 5.5 inch package. Screws, pins, and bushings handle angles and measurements with precision, making woodworking and DIY projects feel impressively less like guesswork. BenchLock. This bench accessory makes dog holes behave. Tool-free positioning lets you install, remove, or adjust with zero drama. Fits standard 3/4 inch, 19mm, 20mm, or custom holes. The 360-degree rotating BenchLock base delivers clamping pressure exactly where you want it, while a V-groove and pocket hole alignment accessory ensure every assembly looks like you actually know what you're doing. That's it for our list of woodworking tools. Subscribe to the Chop Busters for more tips and reviews, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep building and stay creative.